Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. On one of our live lessons we did a quick look at the continuous tenses. We looked at the present continuous, something in progress around now, around the time of speaking. We also had a quick look at the future continuous, so something happening at a time in the future. The continuous tenses, present continuous, future continuous. Today, I want to look at the future continuous and the future perfect. Now then, question, do you like going to the cinema? Me too. So, back to this little picture. Imagine, here we are now, the time of speaking. Some people are queuing outside the cinema. Some people are waiting outside the cinema. Some people are queuing, some people are waiting. Present continuous. Now, the film starts here in half an hour. In half an hour's time, the film starts. The film will finish here. So, in 1 hour from now, in the middle, the people will be watching the film. The people will be watching. Future continuous. Will plus be plus ing. The people will be watching the film. Okay, so let's look at our diagram more carefully. We are here, the time of speaking now. The people are standing outside the cinema. They are waiting. They started to queue before now. They will finish after now when they go into the cinema. So, at the moment, they are waiting outside the cinema. They are queuing. They are waiting. Okay. The film starts in half an hour at this point. The film ends here. How long does a film last? 2 hours? I think so. Okay. So, in 1 hour from now, in the middle of the film, the people will be watching the film. The people will be sitting in their chairs. They will be eating popcorn. They will be watching the film. They start here, they finish here, so in the middle, they will be watching. If the film lasts for 2 hours, in 3 hours, the film is finished. What about the people? Well, by this time, the film will have finished. The people will have gone home. So the time up to here, at this point, the people will have gone home. The film will have finished. In 3 hours from now, the film will have finished. The film will have finished. The film will have. The film will have finished. Will have. The film will have finished. Will have. The film will have finished. In 3 hours from now, the people will have gone home. The people will have gone home. Will have. Will have. The people will have gone home. The people will have gone home. English grammar, future continuous and future perfect, they're easy peasy. Thank you for watching, tell your friends, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.